here.
Right there. Caught on the Slam Shady. Well, that water is cold, folks. I just stepped into the creek to cross over, and it's definitely colder than it was a week ago when I came over here and fished. But I've got a couple of hours to spare today, so I decided to come on and do a little creek fishing. I want to try to get this done before we start getting a lot of rain, and once we do, that's just gonna wipe out my wading and stuff for a while. So I figured today would be perfect opportunity to get on the water. I gotta look at stuff when I walk down. I love arrowheads and Native American artifacts, so every time I come fishing, and lots of times y'all don't see me doing it on camera, but I'm gonna be looking. I pick up rocks, and if I think it's an arrowhead, and I found all kind of points on this creek, so when I'm fishing, I'm constantly looking. But anyway, I've got a different setup with me today, which I'll go over at the end of the video. And of course, I'll still be using the Creek Life Lure Company lures today. I'm gonna start off with this little frog and see how it does and go from there. We've had, I think it was around the 50s last night, so the water's definitely a little bit cooler. Seen something flash on it just then. Got him. I seen him come up, get it. Come here. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Y'all seen him. Make sure he didn't rough that line up any. Got 4-pound leader on. Yeah, I seen him when he flashed and come up and hit it. He hit it on the fall. It's kind of a slow sinking lure. I don't have that much weight on the end of it. I think that's maybe a 1/32 ounce that I've got on there. So it's not really falling at a fast pace. So I'm just gonna have to let it kind of fall for a minute and then kind of reel up. There's another. I seen him grab it. Got him. They're hanging out right along this ledge here. Be still. A little Tallapoosa bass. A little small one. Oh. But there, I don't know if y'all can see in the camera, but it's kind of like there's a ledge, it drops off, and it's deeper water running through here. And they're right along the ledge here, hanging out. That's the second one I've caught. That's right on the outside edge of this ledge. This sandbar just kind of drops right here in front of me. And that's where they're at. The water's just kind of feeding through. I guess they're hanging out waiting on fish or bugs or whatever to come through. Look, just as soon as he hit the water, see what he does. I don't know if I'm hung or felt like something had it for a minute, but he let go of it. I think I waited too long. Trying not to fish it too quick. I'm trying to allow it to give it time to kind of sink. And it seems like they're hitting it as it sinks down. Yeah, I'm not going to spend too much time in this area. I'm going to move on up since I'm on limited time today. So I'm going to fish just a tad longer in here, and then I'm going to kind of wade up the creek a little bit. I may swap lures out and just go to back to the creek shark. Oh, here we go. See what he does. Got it. See what we got here. He feels pretty good. Well, it's just, I bet it's another red eye. They fight good. Come here. Get him up here. Oop, be still. Yeah, it's another red eye. These things fight good, folks. That's why I love coming out here trying to catch them, because they definitely put up a good fight. Be still. They're real aggressive. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, well darn. Where'd my lure go? Huh. The lure's gone. Well, let me put a new one on and we'll get back at it. Well, I decided to change colors. I had the red creek shark on just to see how it would do. So now I've swapped back to the white one, just to kind of test it, see what happens. And then I'm gonna kind of move up the creek a little ways. think I've got a leaf on there. Huh. It's not hard to catch them. All of these leaves that are floating around. Cast over in this area and then head up the creek. Got him. Got him. Come on over here. I seen him when he come up and got it. Another red eye, or in this area they're Tallapoosa bass, because this particular watershed here runs into the Tallapoosa River, about 30 minutes from me. See what's in that pocket over there. Got him. A little bitty one. But he hit it like a freight train, folks. Huh. They don't play. A little old bitty aquarium size red eye there. But he hit it hard though. I give him that. I definitely give him that. Got it. Got a little sore on him or something. Got a nice little breeze today, and definitely a little cooler than it was the last time I come. I ain't standing here sweating to death. I kind of want to see what everything looks like ahead. I've never been that far down, so I mainly want to check it out. And hopefully next year I'll be able to do a little kayak fishing. And that'll give me more options. As it stands right now, I've got probably 4 different places I go. And, you know, I pretty much have to find places that I can get to by foot, since I don't have a kayak to be able to float down some of these creeks and rivers around here. There's some deeper water in here, and also this sand you can sink quick right here. I'm gonna have to be careful. Actually, I'm gonna back out of it. I've done been down that road before, and I don't want to go down it again. I've sunk nearly up to my belly button one time, and it was, that was tough. A tough road to sled right there, folks. This water here looks kind of deep. I don't know if I can go around this mound of sand and leaves or not. I really don't want to get too wet. Yeah, that drops off pretty deep right there. I can't tell how deep, because it's pretty deep. Pretty deep. Boy, he hit so hard. That jerked the rod out of my hand. Come over here. Pretty little red eye. Little Tallapoosa bass. They hit hard. That's exactly why I like fishing for them. See what we got in this. Oh man, I had him for a minute. I felt him kind of pulling away with it. See what we got here. That was a soft bite. I never did. There he goes. Didn't have him hooked good enough. There's gonna be something under there. Hopefully I keep him pinned up this time. I knew there was something gonna be something underneath that root there. Come on over here. Come on over here. Another pretty red eye. Be still. Be still. Good little fight. See if I can get him back in there and hopefully catch another one. Then I'm gonna have to wrap it up for today. The water flows in haste to its destination as the creatures that call the creek home go about their lives along the bank and in the canopy. Evidence of our Creator is everywhere. The birds sing their praises while the trees reach towards heaven, glorifying God, the Creator. As a breeze blows through the canopy, sending the leaves falling in a peaceful, rhythmic sound that only God can bring. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did today. I just had a few hours today to work with, and I decided I'd come on down and do a little fishing before we get some rain in here. But I mainly used the TP1 Black. It's a speed stick rod, 6'6" medium light action rod, and a loose, this is a Mach 1 reel, size 100, I believe it is. Yeah, it's the size 100, put out by Lew's. And this is a Mach 1, or a TP1 Black speed stick. That's the name of it. 6'6" rod. Pretty good little rod, and I enjoy using it. And the handle on here is very comfortable. It's got that rubbery kind of grip on there. I like it a lot. But that's all I use today. And I just had my Creek Life Lure Company tackle box with me with assorted lures in there, and I mainly used the creek shark. I started out with the frog that's put out by Creek Life Lure Company, and had some success with it, but I couldn't stand it, folks. I had to switch back over to my favorite lure, the creek shark. But I had a blast using it, folks. I caught several red eye today, and I was kind of surprised I didn't catch any kind of panfish, but I'm still tickled with the day, and I look forward to the next one, folks. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.